guys, it's Davo here. Just in Nonsung, we're going to the elephant temple, and we stumbled across this nice cafe place. We're stopping for a coffee. Check this out. It's a very cool place to come for a coffee. Look at that. Or you can come for a feed. We stumbled across it by accident. Thailand, expect the unexpected. Okay, gonna have me coffee now. Catch you all soon. Beautiful flowers out. Absolutely beautiful.
That's my sewer. You can't have delicate masculinity here.
There's the toilets down there. Nice flashy toilets. You can come up here, have a drink, have your coffee, chill out on the beanbags. Check the nice view.
No, mine. No, they don't. They're popping it. It's like so hot.
It's noisy. It's a very pretty place.
This almost looks the same as THAILAND Philippines. Almost same.
That's Robert from America.